trust your eyes? Sometimes our eyes can deceive us. Want proof? Here! Can you see it fluttering? FYI, this is a photo, not a video. Your eyes and mind are playing tricks on ya! Today, I will show you an optical illusion that will make your siblings, cousins, friends, or family members question their sight. Hello everyone, I'm Schoolville's little scientist Anjhella. Are you ready? Let's go! The things you need will appear on your screen. In 3, 2, 1.
The first thing that we need to do is to draw or print anything you like. After that, place your drawing inside the clear plastic bag. Make sure to secure it so water cannot penetrate. Next, color the part you want your viewers to see.
Lastly, hold and show your magic to your viewers. Show and submerge. You see it? You don't. You see it? You don't. You saw it, didn't you? What kind of wizardry is this? Well, this ain't wizardry, magic, or whatever you call it. It is simply science. Let me illuminate you. We can see because all of the things we are able to see reflects light. Light travels in a straight line. In our experiment, light travels through different mediums. We have the air and the water. Air and water have different density and mass. In that case, the light refracts or bends and slightly changes direction that causes the disappearance of some parts of our drawing. Let me repeat my question a while ago. Can you trust your eyes 100%? This is Anjhella, your Schoolville's little scientist. Thank you!